So yeah, in this video we're gonna discuss about the most awaited mobile, that is the iQOO Neo 10. Yeah, this mobile is coming with a huge performance and specifications. So we're gonna talk about these mobiles features and price and everything in this video. Stay tuned. And first start with the display size. This mobile comes with a 6.78 inches of LTPO AMOLED 144 Hz refresh rate display, and is going to be a full HD plus resolution HDR10 plus supported display. And this mobile comes with the Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2 protection. And when we talk about this mobile's processor, yeah, this is the important thing, that this mobile is coming with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8s Gen 4, which is an octa-core 3nm based 5G processor. This is the only mobile in the price bracket which I'm going to tell in a bit. This is the only mobile that comes in this price bracket with this processor, because there is no other mobile that comes with this much powerful processor in this price bracket. So this mobile comes with almost when we talk about 5G, 11 5G bands in India. And when we talk about this mobile's processor and the storage capacity, this mobile doesn't just comes with a huge super packed performance processor. This also comes with another processor, that is a Q1 supercomputing Q1 chip, which enhances the frames a bit when you are playing the games. And also this mobile comes with a memory. This mobile comes with UFS 4.1 storage capacities along with the LPDDR5X Ultra RAM, which was used in the iQOO 13 mobile. So yeah, this model comes with the Snapdragon 8s Gen 3, Gen 4, and the LPDDR4 5X Ultra RAM types and UFS 4.1 storage capacity. So combining all these three, we could expect a killer gaming performance from this mobile. When we talk about the cameras, yeah, there is a slight bit of compromisation in the camera section. This mobile comes with just two dual cameras at the back side. One is a 50 megapixels of ultra wide angle main wide angle selfie camera, which is an optical image stabilization supported camera, and a 8 megapixels of ultra wide angle camera. Yeah, that could be better, but yeah, it's the 8 megapixels one. For the front also, it comes the 8 megapixels of ultra wide angle camera. I thought it could be better. And this mobile also comes with a huge battery, which I think only M series some mobile has that, and Oppo mobile also has that, like some. This mobile comes with a 7000 milliamp of battery, and that's not it, friends. This mobile comes with a 120 watts of fast charge through wire, but unfortunately there is no wireless or reverse wireless charging feature in this mobile. So this mobile comes with all these features, and also there are some missing features too. We could say that this mobile is a polycarbonate build mobile, not a metal build, and this mobile doesn't come with any IP68 and 69 water resistance too. So I feel that was the issues, missing things. And also there is not that much good camera in the front facing selfie camera, and also there is not a dedicated periscopic zoom camera, so you cannot shoot the zoom shots. So these are the features of this mobile. When we talk about the multimedia, it comes with the stereo speakers but no 3.5 mm jack, and this mobile also comes with a USB 2.0 Type C, which you cannot connect Elgato and streaming devices like that. So that's, I feel it could be better. And this mobile also comes in three colors. Those are white and some gray and also the red. And this mobile also comes with the charger and a cable and also TPU case and also symmetrical tool included in the box of this mobile. When we talk about this mobile's connectivity, this mobile comes with a Wi-Fi 7 dual band Wi-Fi support and USB, Bluetooth 5.4 and NFC. This mobile also comes with the ultrasonic fingerprint scanner, facial lock ID, and that's all for the mobile. When we talk about this mobile's price and release date, yeah, this is the important things, that this mobile is releasing on this month 26th. When we talk about the price bracket, this mobile is going to come with 39,999, almost 40,000 rupees for the base variant. By the way, this mobile will be available in 3 variants till the news now, that is 8GB RAM, 128, 8 to 256 and 12 to 56 GB of internal storage variants. So if this mobile releases exactly for that price, then it could make a big blow in that section of 40 to 45,000 rupees budget price range mobile. So that's it for the video. And if you are going to buy this mobile, I would recommend you to take a look at the iQOO 13. before buying this mobile if you are trying to buy this mobile, because there you will get wireless charging and the glassy back and also better camera and better chip too. So if you are trying to purchase this mobile like a 8 GB RAM 256 or 12 to 56, then you might consider the 8 to 56 version of that Echo 13 by applying some HDFC card or something like that. You'll get that around 48 to 50,000 rupees in between that price range. So yeah, basically this mobile is suitable for hardcore gamers and the heavy mobile users, because this mobile comes with the best processor and the huge battery. And if you are a camera type lover, but I would not recommend you this mobile, and I will recommend you to go with the other mobiles that has the good better camera performance in that budget range, like the Echo like the OnePlus 13R, like that mobiles. So that's it for the video. Hit the like button and also the subscribe button.